Hello everybody out there. This is a quick update on the power jack installation. I've got my 300 watt one going now for a little over 2 weeks, about 16 days. And I also sometime this week got a 1200 watt 28 to 60 volt power jack, because at the moment that's all I can afford, and my system's not any bigger to go any further with it. But I have made some other changes. I installed that 80mm fan, and it's really blowing. It's 103 cubic foot a minute. Then also I put my little 80mm fan over here blowing through this 300 watt unit. Works quite well, keeps the fan from coming on. And I made a nice little color-coded legend for my wires and what wire goes where and what they do. Just in case I'm not around, something happens, it's kind of idiot-proof. It's all in color. And then we got the big fellow down here, the 1200 watt power jack. And I've just got these meters here just so I can see them on the camera. It's 293 on the 1200 watt coming in. It's got 440 watts total into it. And then at the top one we've got 157 change, and a total of 450 right now going out into my home. Yesterday it was kind of a rough day, intermittent bright sun. I did see on the bottom meter at one point 410 watts, which is amazing because there's only 440 going to it, so that's pretty good. Anyway, that's just a quick update of my solar deal, and between my use of solar and conserving energy thanks to these little meters and showing me how wasteful I've been throughout my life, I've basically cut my electric bill in half. And the meter was read yesterday, and last year at this time I had used 1450 watts, and this year it's just about 650, so that's substantial. And the last two prior bills have also been $60 and $70 respectively, so 50% on each side. Oh, that's my meter going off saying it doesn't want to play anymore. Alright, this is a long-winded version. I'm signing off now. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.